Hello everyone, my name is Gvidas and welcome to my WordPress and Elementor course. In this course I will teach you how you can easily create your WordPress blog using Elementor. If you are a beginner and you don't know how everything works, don't worry, because I will explain to you everything you need to know in this step-by-step course. You will learn where to get your domain name, how to set up your hosting, how to use WordPress, how to create pages using Elementor, how to use a WordPress text editor, and much more. As well, at the end of this course I will share with you some search engine optimization tips for beginners. But that's not all, because I will show you how to use Google Search Console and Google Analytics. These two things are very important if you want to have a successful website. As you can see right here, this is how our finished product is going to look. I created this blog using Elementor, and by following my lessons, you will be able to create a similar website. Of course, the whole customization part will be up to you so that you could create your unique looking WordPress blog. Once you have strong foundations, you know how to use themes, plugins, and Elementor, your customization options will become limitless. If you will face any problems or have any questions, you can join WordPress Explain group, and members of the community will help you with any issues. So if you're ready, we can start the course.